Hello, people. Uh, people. Actually, I have been crying for the past like 20 minutes because, uh, like it's in the news, Sri Devi passing away. I mean, I don't know. I'm just like yet another fan of this great actress, but I don't know. Yeah, it's like the way I cried just now. It's as if I've lost a own family member. I mean, I think that is the magic that Sridevi ma'am brought to the industry. That anyone who would watch her films would feel like we know her. So I don't know. Yeah, this feels so strange. So my heart goes out to her daughters, Janvi and Khushi. May God give them strength. Yeah, I mean, I lost my own mom 4 years ago, so I know that feeling, that emotion. I mean, actually, it takes few days and months and weeks or whatever to for it to register, for it to actually that the person you called mom is no more. So, and ironically, her last film also was called Mom. So it's so disturbing, and may God give the family strength. Yeah. So thanks for watching, people, and thank you.